Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Crypto Insider. I am Himanshu. So today this is a daily Bitcoin review video and I will tell you how to book maximum profit in the market. So guys, watch this video till then. It's a short but super useful video. So guys, now let's go to the chart without wasting time. But before that, I want to say a huge thank you everyone who is supporting my channel, liking my videos. And guys, thanks for subscribing my Telegram channel, and guys, give me more likes. So now let's go to the chart. Look, before we discuss all the other points with you, I still want to look at the market in general. I want to look at Bitcoin because there are many important points here. The Bitcoin chart, of course, has already stretched. You can't even see where we had what levels here, but nevertheless, Bitcoin is trading at around 22,922 to 23,000. Now at the moment, we can see the market, of course, has now come to a very interesting stage. Please look at the RSI. Bitcoin is still very much overbought. We tried everything we can. We have broken the local trend. We have gained a foothold above the level of 22,000, or rather even in the range of 22,290 to 20,300. But we have the biggest resistance ahead. Firstly, we had the level of 24,200. It is actually here 23,900 to 24,500. We have a core liquidity zone here, but the key point is not this. But the key point is this. Please look, I will open the index on purpose. So far, don't look at the markup. I will tell you about it later. Please note that we have this blue line on the weekly candlesticks from above. And this is the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame. And this is a very important point because C will also be a great resistance for us. Please note that in fact it is connected with this level 23,900 to 24,500. And here in this range, we have this moving average which actually acts as a resistance for us in the particular situation. If we look at the daily time frame with you, we will see that we are already trading above the line and the daily line holds us accordingly. It is the support level. If you and I open a weekly time frame, then this is a big resistance for you and me on a weekly time frame. So this is very important. I know that a lot of you are now suffering from greed. You can even say that they are in euphoria because to some extent it is logical. You and I have already flown 50% up from the bottom of Bitcoin. I focus on this because again there is an index of fear and greed. Look, the mark is 52. Today it is neutral, but yesterday there was a mark in the greed range. It was, and this suggests that the mood of investors is now focused on buying asset, and I don't like it all. As you understand, you need to buy when no one else want to buy, and now actually on the contrary, the mood is due to these few large candles. We have 1 2 3 4 weekly candles. That is almost a month since we have been actively growing. The natural mood changes a lot, so everyone open positions. Let's look at the local situation around the market and Bitcoin. Actually, what I'm waiting for, how do I plan to trade? First of all, this is the range. It is the ideal for us for short trades, not in the sense that we need to open them immediately, but in the sense that we will see a reaction from this level. Anyway, here we had an attempt to go somewhere, but there is one caveat. Those who were sitting at the monitor at that time and watching the chart, they remember that as soon as the candle took off, it was immediately lowered back. We did not have a chance to open a position. That is, we have a strong resistance there at this level. Therefore, it is very important for us to fly higher so that we can talk with you about flying to the point of $30,000. We need to get through this zone. This zone will be quite serious for us. That is, you and I must go beyond the 24,500 point and gain a foothold here. Guys, if you want to trade with me on your favorite stock exchange, link is there below in the description. Use my promo code and take the bonus up to $30,000 on your first deposit. Most favorable terms and conditions are waiting for you. Now I will show you the link. So guys, as you can see the link here, which is partner.bybit.com. Use my promo code 4794 and guys, take the bonus up to $30,000 on your first deposit. And guys, here you can see my Telegram channel link, which is free to join, which is Crypto Insider channel. So guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. It's a free to join. There I do market analysis, chart analysis. I write down all event description and all the necessary information. So guys, now let's go to the chart. Remind you, I draw your attention to the fact that this zone here is essentially the final resistance zones. Please note that we have all the growth. It's just without rollbacks. In fact, this is, we just fly higher even at peak point without rollbacks. If you and I just open the Bitcoin chart, we will see that we have always had rollbacks even at the peak. Bitcoin went, then there was a rollback, and so it is always is. And they give in fact the opportunity to open a deal. Now Bitcoin looks like a big rocket, and actually that's it. All this is being created, in my opinion, on purpose so that there are more willing to open deals in order to have someone to unload the big players. And this is actually the key point, because it feels like they won't let us get off so easily, because here there was no maximum disappointment in the market. At the peak, everyone was buying. The one who had the money left bought everything, but there is no such disappointment as there was. For example, in our actual life cycle, everyone was waiting for the hike below. Everyone was ready for Bitcoin at $10,000. Now everyone is euphoric. What does this mean? Yes, about the fact that right here, when we were standing, the market was being tortured. The big players were severely torturing the market, pushing, but the market did not go lower. And accordingly, in order to retake positions, and the task of a major player, I remind you, is not just to make you lose your money, but the task of a major player is simply to gain their own positions. He simply could not do qualitative. That's all, dear friends. I gave you enough information for today in order to get the maximum profit in the market. Now the main thing is your brotherly support. Guys, give me more likes, support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Link is there below in the description. And guys, the main thing is like turn on the bell icon so you will not miss any important notification. See you in my next video.